To the Honorable Marcoleta, sir, let's put it on record. I did not use the word traitor in describing your statement that the West Philippine Sea ay kathang-isip lamang po. Let me read my post on X. I stand by the statement of President Bongbong Marcos when he said, ang West Philippine Sea ay hindi kathang-isip natin lamang. Ito ay atin, ito ay mananatiling atin hanggang nag-aalab ang diwa ng ating minamahal na bansang Pilipinas. Hearing someone claim that the West Philippine Sea is merely a fabrication of the Philippine government is a disservice and an embarrassment.
O, yun yung statement ni Tariela. Kung papainggan nyo, kahit i-rewind nyo ho itong video na to, saan nyo ho nakita doon yung traidor? Wala hong nagsabing traidor si Marcoleta. Pero di ba dito sa for the past few days, gigil na gigil tong si Marcoleta. Eh hindi ka pala tinawag na traidor kung Marcoleta. So ibig sabihin na may make news ka?